Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, in this video we will practice about describing things in our mechatronic workshop.
Before we start, let us introduce yourself first. Start with me, Abi Marsudi Rafdi.
And I am Ziza Nuria Rahmadhani. So let's get straight to the video. Thank you. Oh, hey Abi.
Hey, yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you again. So, how is it going with robotics activity?
Oh, it's great. Tomorrow we will make a practice in arm robots.
Oh, cool. Can I join it?
Sure. Can you help me to bring the?
Oh, yes, of course. Come on.
Okay.
Wow, it looks expensive and heavy. Can you describe more about this?
Sure. This is a robot arm. The best featuring several articulated segments and joints, allowing for a range of motion. It is mounted on a sturdy base that provides stability. The arm's base appears to be made of black metal with a solid foundation to support the structure. The texture of the arm is hard, with the component made from a combination of metal and possibly some plastic. At the end of the arm, there is a wet gripper of raw machines designed to pick up or manipulation objects. The gripper has two fronts that can open and close control by the arm movements. It is like powered by servos or stepper motors for pressure control. The robot arm has visible wiring connection in different parts, possibly from power supply and signal transmission to control the arm's movements. Typical such a robot arm weighs between 1 to 5 kilograms and costs between 2 million to 10 millions. Overall, this robotic arm seems to be a precision instrument possibly used for text like assembly, picking, and placing objects. All other automatic process in a controlled environment.
Wow, so that's why it looks so expensive. I wonder if I can compare it to with a robot arm and a digital multimeter.
Digital multimeter, that sounds familiar.
Oh, so
It's a tool that made of plastic. The inside of this multimeter has a pointer needle or props, display screen, 5 buttons, and the rotary switch. The color of this multimeter is gray. There are 2 pointer needle, or as we say prop. The color is black and red. And there are also 5 yellow buttons that has different functions, and the shape of this multimeter is curved rectangle. The size is pretty small, and the texture is hard, but it's not heavy at all. This multimeter cost around 400 Indonesian rupiah, and it is quite expensive because this multimeter is very helpful, and it has so many features, and it depends on what you need. If you want to calculate resistance, voltage, and electric current, you can use this digital multimeter. I think this multimeter is worth to buy because it is pretty important for simplify us when calculating or checking a component, especially in our workshop. So yes, that's all.
Oh, it's a very useful tool. But if I want to compare it with a robot arm, I guess the robot arm is the most prominent in terms of its physical appearance and functions.
I agree with you, but still, I guess both of them are very useful, but in a different aspect. Especially in the robot arm and the digital multimeter is a different thing, right?
Oh, of course. Nice to talking to you. Don't forget to meet me in the lab mechatronics.
Yes, of course. See you later, alligator.
After a well crocodile.